From the dashboard view, go to the left sidebar menu and click Help Center. Here you'll find our contact details, including our email address, Facebook page, and Instagram account. Just below, there's a message form where you can enter a subject and describe your issue or ask any questions. Once you've filled out your message, simply click the Send Message button to reach out to us. If you encounter a bug while using Boosterberg, you can report it directly to us. In the left sidebar menu, right below the Help Center, you'll find the Report a Bug section. Clicking on it will open marker.io, where you'll see a screenshot of your current screen. You can edit this screenshot using arrows, text, rectangles, a pen, blur, or even emojis to highlight the issue. When you're done editing, add a title and description in the marker.io form so we can better understand the issue and resolve it as quickly as possible. Finally, click the Send Issue button to submit your report. Issue created. Here you can see your ticket.